Okay, so let's face it, the Hero 8 is a pretty heavy camera, and actually I don't have a Hero 9 yet, but I think this video will also apply to the Hero 9, which is actually 38 or 40 grams heavier than the Hero 8. So if you're looking to use this on your drone and want to save a little bit of weight, this video might be useful for you. So iFlight came out with this new product here. It's kind of a pretty weird name. It's like a Type-C to balance port adapter. And so this end here has a Type-C, USB Type-C connector. And on this side here, you have a voltage regulator, balance lead connector here, and it is for 4S to 6S batteries, and it will output 5 volts for your GoPro, and this should help you save a little bit of weight. So let's see what you can save here. So the Hero 8 here, fully stocked, no modifications. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on the back. It's 127 grams here. And what you want to do here is take the door off. So we're going to take the door off here. Again, I don't know, I don't have a Hero 9, so I don't know if this will exactly apply, but it could be similar. So basically you take the door off, you take the battery out, and then you see here we've got the Type-C connector for power. And with the battery and the door off, it goes from 127 grams to 92 grams, and then you have to, of course, add this weight here. And that's coming in at 95.7 grams, and the adapter here by itself is running about 3.4 grams. So the whole idea behind this little adapter is, say like here, I flew the Hero 8 with the battery fully stocked on this Sector 150, and we just pull these little mounts down, and I just mounted it like so. And if you can reduce the weight, I think approximately there by about 30 some grams by using this little adapter, it will help improve the performance of something like this, something smaller. Now they're really kind of intending this for reducing weight on your bigger drones, like 5 inches that run 4 to 6S. But I think it'll be more useful for something like a Cinewhip that's going from 4 to 6S on their configuration. So this one here is a 6S setup. So what you can do is you mount the GoPro here. You plug in the USB-C over here into the GoPro, and then of course you mount everything, mount the battery, and then the balance lead of your battery will go into the balance plug here, and it'll be keyed, so it's like this with the negative over here on this side right to the black wire like so, and then it'll output 5 volts, and this will go from 4S, 5S, and 6S. So you can see that 2S and 3S are blocked off on here. I don't know if that means that this voltage regulator can't take 2S or 3S batteries. If that's something that's interesting to you guys and would like to have this adapter to be changed for 2S and 3S support, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll get iFlight to make an alteration for the next version of this. I think the regulator only goes 4 to 6S, but it would be odd because a lot of these regulators can do 2 to 6S, so I'm not sure why they elected to just go with a 4 to 6S balance plug. In any event, once you do mount everything on here and you have your balance plugged into your battery here, you do want to secure this wire that's going to be flopping around. Probably put it under the battery strap here, and that'll keep it out of the props and stuff. Of course, this is not super safe, so if you have a bad crash, in this case here, the micro SD card might get ejected, so you may want to put like a piece of tape over this or something like that. Of course, you got just a little USB connectors kind of sticking out like so, so it's kind of exposed, and that could get caught in something. So I'm thinking this is going to be better for like lighter drones here, like a Cinema versus a 5-inch, because when you're flying a 5-inch around, you're going to be running into tree branches and stuff, and that will just get snapped off. So I'm not really sure why they would advertise this for a 5-inch. I would not fly this on a 5-inch, something flying similarly. I think it'd be better for something like this type of Cinewhip. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. It's a pretty cool little product. I think it's about $10 on Amazon, and you can also pick it up at iFlight, probably a few other places. I'll link some of these down below. I will be giving away one of these to one lucky winner. I do have an extra one here. It's brand new. I haven't opened it yet. So just leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think you would use this for in your comment. And I'll check the rule down in the description. I'll just write the rules down there. I haven't thought about what specific rules are going to be, so make sure you read that before you make your comments, so you can be qualified for that. So after the video's been up for 3 hours, I'll pick a winner and I'll contact that person in the comment section. So make sure you are checking the comments, and you'll be given some instructions in that response to your comment if you've won. Anyway, good luck. Let me know what you guys think of this product, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.